Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance Customize to start. Choose Layout, then Footer to access footer areas and settings. Set footer widgets to 0 to remove extra widget columns quickly. Scroll to footer credits to edit or delete the displayed text directly in the customizer. Save and publish your changes to update the live site immediately. Refresh the front end and verify the footer area is cleared on desktop and mobile layouts. Open Appearance Customize and select additional CSS to add safe styling. Paste. Site info display, none, important, to hide the footer credit quickly and consistently. If your theme uses different selectors, target Site Footer, Site Info instead to be precise. Use your browser inspector to confirm the exact selector names before saving any CSS changes. Click Publish to apply the CSS to the live site and then clear any cache plugins. Verify the Create and activate a child theme before editing PHP to preserve updates safely. Open the child theme functions. PHP and add Remove Action, Generate Footer, Generate Construct Footer to stop the default footer output. Use a conditional around the code to prevent errors on other themes or plugin changes. If you only need to change credits, add a filter that returns an empty string for footer text instead. Save the file, upload if necessary, and refresh the site to confirm PHP changes, removed, or replace the footer content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.